A very good morning to class 3. As the earlier chapter multiplication is already completed and you have given a test and you scored very well in that. Hope you this chapter also you will done very good, and let's after this let's start this chapter. This chapter is chapter number 5, division. As you all can see in chapter number 5, in when we are dividing anything, we just having two things, and after these two things, first is the divisor by which we are dividing any number. Second one is the dividend, the number which is divided by the divisor, and after solving it we get the remainder, and here is the answer, that is quotient. So in this chapter we will do the division and understand about the properties, word problems, and many more things about division. Let's start the first exercise, that is the icon exercise, page number 91. Let's put down the date over here, that is 28th of July. And first this is just a revision part, as is it's these are the questions from your earlier classes, class 2. So we just count the backward jumps to solve each of the given problems. As you have remembered that when we are doing the multiplication, we just move forward. Because when we are multiplying anything, this number is keep on adding. But when we are dividing anything, we just keep on minus the numbers. Okay, so here count the numbers to solve the division problem. This is the number line which is given from 0 to 24. Here this frog will have the three jumps. He's keep on jumping within the gap of three numbers, and to reach it with the 0. So you just have to find out how many jumps he have taken to reach from number 24 to 0. So from here he is taking, from number 24 he is taking 1 3 numbers jump. So if we divide 24 by 3, what will you get? 3 8s are 24. So the answer is 8. So as you can see over here, he have to take 8 jumps to reach number from 24 to 0. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this you have understood. He have to take 8 jumps to come from number 24 to 0. And here you will write there are 8 backward jumps of 3. 3 numbers he have to jump and he have to take 8 jumps. So you can write there are 8 backward jumps of 3. In the same way you will do this part also, and this is similar to this one, just similar to this one, because here you have to just divide this number and solve it out. When we are dividing 72 by 8, 8 nines are 72, so you will get a 9 over here. In the same way you will divide this, and here you have to solve out these sums. Just move on further. Here is an exercise number 5.1. It is a grouping exercise because we are having a division by grouping. Grouping means we have to make the groups separately and we have to divide them. Let's take an example. So here you can see on the board I have 9 stars. I have 9 stars and I have to arrange them in the groups of 2 each. What I will do, I have total 8 stars and I have to arrange them in 2 groups. So when we divide 8 by 2, we will get 4. That means we have the 4 we have the 4 groups, but these are total 9 star. What we will do, we have to divide means 9 divided by 2. 2 fours is 8 and remainder is 1. So here you can see when we are making the 2 groups, 1 2 3 and 4, this 1 star is remaining over here. So there are total 4 groups of 2 stars each and 1 should be alone. 1 is the remainder in this question. So similarly, in this exercise 5.1 also we have to do the same. What we can do, we will start this exercise. Just put on the date over here, that is 20th of July, and just start calculating it. The group of pencils are stated. Complete the given division sentence. Here are some baskets, pen holders. You can see over here there are some pen holders and some pencils. You have to put it accordingly, and it is already given how many pencils you have to put and how many total are there. So you have to just calculate how many pencils each holder will get. Okay, so here are how many baskets. Here are total 5 baskets, and how many pencil you have to put it on? You have to put 15 pencils. So what you will do, you have to divide these 15 pencils by 5. When we divide 15 by 5, what will get? 5 3s are 15. So in each pen holder there will be 3 pencil. Similarly, you have to do these also. There are 12 pencils in this one, and we have to arrange these in 3 pencil holders. So what you will get? 3 4s are 12. The answer is 4. Is this easy for you? This is very easy. If you understand it, this will be very easy. Now question number 2. Group 34 balls into equal groups as stated. Write down the division sentence for each of the following. There are total 36 balls, and you have to make a group of 9 balls. What you will do? You will divide number 36 because this is a total number and you have to arrange this in the group of 9. So you will divide this 36 by 9. If you calculate this, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. That means the group we will make the 9 groups. So we will get, in each group we will get the 4 balls. Okay, there are 4 equal groups of 9. The division sentence will be 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. Is that clear? If you have any doubt, just do me a message on e-feedback and just see this video again and again. Okay, we will move forward in the next class. Take care and bye bye everyone.